I'm not going to lie. This is one of my favorite ones. People don't understand how much traffic they can actually get from Reddit. Okay. So the next one, I'm so thankful people were asking about Reddit because this is one of my favorite platforms that literally, like I said, I can't emphasize this enough. You will get tons of traffic from Reddit if you use it properly. And that's another reason why we put together all these checklists. Okay. We've got 20 of them. It's under the category best digital marketing checklists, and they're all PDF files. That's why we did it. In the other videos below, or in the other videos, I talk about the reason why is because for months people were, writing us, asking us different questions, about different marketing, questions that people had. And we compiled it all together and came with, 20 different, marketing checklists that would really help people in their online business or even in business in general. So that's why we did it. So like this one today, the ultimate Reddit marketing checklist literally is one of my favorite ones because I kid you not, make sure you spend a lot of time with this checklist and make sure you spend a lot of time in Reddit and, go in there, make some posts, to people's, comments and stuff like that, help them out. And then obviously, set up your own Reddit, pages like that and post, your stuff for your business. But go through this checklist and it will help you a lot. And you will be shocked at how much traffic you can get from Reddit. Okay. Which more traffic to your website equals, more subscribers, more sales. But then to make this even better, like I told you in these other videos, all 20 of these, we're going to give you free access and the rights to basically use them to give away or build your email list. So basically all you'll do is you'll just come over here, you'll click and you'll download this particular image. And then once you add this to cart and you download it, then you can add it to your website, create a opt-in form, and then give this to people once they sign up. And then you can use this to actually build a list and build a relationship with your subscribers, because a lot of people in the beginning, when you first get started, or even when you've been doing it for a while, are not building an email list. And you should be for sure 100% doing that because it will help you out tremendously. Okay. So make sure you take advantage of this because we spent a lot of money and, we made sure that this was a extremely good checklist like the other 20, because we want to help you guys out. And, why not build your email list with it and give them a product? Give people a product that's great, okay, that we spend a lot of time on. So always what I do is in the beginning, okay, and you can get this, the ultimate Reddit marketing checklist below this video in the description. You can just click on that. It'll take you to this page and you can go to add a cart and you can download it. And then in a sec, I'll show you where you can get access to all 20 of them. But basically what I always do in the beginning of the videos is I just go right here and read. So it kind of gives you an understanding of what we're going to be talking about in this checklist and how it will help you. This step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies to help you set clear goals, choose relevant subreddits, create engaging content, avoid common pitfalls, and leverage Reddit's ads, okay? You've got to start using Reddit. That's all I'm saying. That's why we put together this checklist. Make sure you go over it, study it, follow it, do what it says, and you will see increase of traffic in your website, and it will help your business, and you will make more money and you'll build subscribers. It's crazy. One thing I always ask people, you don't have to do this or not, but like I said, we'd really appreciate if you'd share, obviously this video also on YouTube and other social media networks. Like the video, subscribe to our channel if you're not. Excuse me. Post on Facebook, X, which is Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit. If you want more information about what this is going to cover in this particular, the ultimate Reddit marketing checklist, come down here, go through this, read more about it, especially if you're new. You'll see that this is going to keep you on track and allow you to have the greatest success on Reddit with what we're going to show you in this checklist. It's going to keep you focused, and it's not going to allow you to get sidetracked because it's going to keep you focused on what you need to do, and you can execute that quickly with how we set everything up in this checklist, okay? So again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out. Make sure that you click at the add to cart and you download this immediately and use it to start building an email list and start building relationships and take your business to the next level so you can actually have a business with subscribers that can help you and you can help them. So another link that will be below in the description also will be the other 20 right here. Okay. So like I always tell people in the videos, okay, for some reason, if you're not ready for Reddit and you're in an area that one of these covers, and I'm pretty sure you are because this pretty much covers A to Z, find one that you think is going to help you the best in your business right now. Because I don't want you to go through information overload, because all of us, go through it. I still go through it because, like I said, I want to do more and more and more always. But then I have to pull myself back again and say, Chad, work on one thing at a time. And that's what I always go back to doing. So go in here, figure out which one would be best for you. You can come right up here and you can click, on your favorites so you can come back, or on your phone, you can, set a reminder. But basically each time you finish one, come back over here and decide which checklist is going to be best for you. Okay. And then just add to the cart. Now, yes, you can download and add all these to the cart, and you can have them all on your computer or your phone. But I think it's better to do one by one. But like I said, you can do whatever you want. If you have any kind of questions, obviously below in the comments area, post them there. Or if you want to, on our site, you can click down here to contact us and write our support desk, and we will answer any questions that you have for us. And like I said, you can just come over to the plrproductsforsale.com website and you can find all this, but all the links for the 20 right here are below in the description. And then again, the one that we were talking about today, the Ultimate Reddit Marketing Checklist Guide, is below also. And like I said, all these you just add to the cart, check out, you get them, and they will help you take your business to the next level. Okay. So many people waste time and jump from here to there. Don't do that. Figure out what you need to do that's best for your business. If you're ready for Reddit and to get tons of traffic, I would choose Reddit because it's great. So the next video that we'll be talking about will be Pinterest. Pinterest is another great one too. But I'll see you in that next video. Okay. Again, if you have any kind of questions at all in the comments area, please post them and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.